Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing great, and in this video I'm going to be doing a live withdrawal from Popcorn BUSD miner. Popcorn BUSD miner is a smart contract platform that gives about 16% on daily yields, and we have joined it for about 3 days now, and today I'll be going to do a live withdrawal in front of you because a lot of you were asking, a lot of you were telling me that you don't know how to withdraw, and then you don't know how to compound, and you don't know how the platform basically works, how the compounding basically works, and how the cycles they basically work. So in today's video I'm going to break down all the things. I'm going to tell you how the cycle starts, how the cycle ends, how you are going to withdraw your BUSD or your profit, what is going to happen to the initial investment that you make, and everything will be explained in this video. And before I begin, I must tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. If you wish to seek any financial advice, please do your own due diligence as well. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright, so here I am at Popcorn BUSD miners, and right in front of you I have my secondary wallet connected that I use for this video making purposes. So just to give you an overview, right here where it says question mark with an until full, so what is it indicates the cycle time. It starts from 24 hours as soon as you start your mining, and as soon as it reaches zero, it starts from 24 hours again automatically. You do not need to go in and start the cycle again manually. It starts automatically. But what you can do is to see here, either you can compound the miners or you can pocket your BSD. Compound miner means the profit that you have made, you will add it to your initial deposit, and the next profit is going to be on complete profit plus initial deposit. And if you pocket your BUSD, it will appear in your Binance wallet. And this digging that you see here, depending upon your BUSD that you have deposited, this digging amount, it will keep on increasing, or it will decrease depending upon the BUSD that you have deposited. It gives you a complete 16% daily profit, a bit more or a bit less depending upon the market situation. And this is an general overview about how it works, how the cycle works, how the compounding and how the pocket your BUSD works. Now I'll take you to my account from where I'll make a live withdrawal. So now I'll be doing a withdrawal from my wallet. All I need to do is to just to click this pocket your BUSD button that you see on the bottom right corner. Just go to it and then click on this button. After that you will see your MetaMask appearing, and here you will see that I'll have to confirm the transaction. Just confirm it, and after that you will see that the timer has automatically started from 24 hours, and my BUSD will be shown into this MetaMask wallet. So the BUSD have reached my account, and this timer, it has started automatically from 24 hours, and the current balance you can see is whatever. I haven't mined anything till now, so it says 0. This wallet button that you see here, wallet balance, it shows the amount of BUSD that you have in your wallet that I have just withdrawn. So this was a step-by-step process. I hope that you guys have liked this one. I hope you guys now know how to withdraw your profits from BUSD. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up plus subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the updates like these. You don't miss any of the tips and tricks that I share on this channel. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.